Today, I took my guests to visit Tirta Empul Temple, one of the most sacred temples in Bali. Usually, people come here to do malukat, Balinese purification ritual using the holy spring water. But today, we were so lucky because when we arrived, we saw a group of Balinese women playing gamelan so beautifully. At the same time, the rain starting to fall gently. The sound of the gamelan mixed with the soft rain and the cool mountain breeze created such a peaceful and magical atmosphere. Moments like this let my guys truly feel the beauty and spirit of Bali. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you would love discovering unique culture and hidden gem in Bali, don't forget to follow Bali Tour Advisor for more amazing stories.